two good girls on my arms. Thank you, Judy.
Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Sing a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Sing a rainbow too.
She's got into a bit of trouble because she just graffitied all of that wall on the way round this park, hasn't you, Mum?
Yes.
Well, Mum, don't worry, I'll grab you. It must be that Stone Island top you got on. We're on our way back now. We made it 3/4 of the way around and we're taking a shortcut back because Mum's feeling a bit puffy, but she's done really well. Well done, Mummy. There's Mum enjoying the kids playing out of lockdown. Say hello, Mummy.
Hello.
Mummy's modelling Stone Island. She's thinking about becoming a hooligan, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, right. So tell everyone how grateful we are for the £400.
Oh yes, we're very, very pleased with the money, the £400.
And we're going a different way around the park today, and we're doing quite well.
Yes.
So thank you, everybody.
Yes, thank you everyone.
And we'll speak to you later.